Hi everyone, my name is Iveta and I'm a content manager at Oxylabs. Today I'm here to explain to you what data parsing is and clear up all the confusion around this term by providing examples and the use cases of parsing. Now let's start with the definition of parsing. In essence, the word parse means to divide something into parts to examine each part individually. You can take a sentence, split it into grammatical components, then identify them and the relations between them. Data parsing is the conversion of one data format to another, easily readable data format. To be more specific, it's about analyzing relationships between components in a given piece of data. Once you parse the data, you can structure it in the way you like, such as JSON. As an example, if you receive data in HTML format, with the help of a parser, you'll be able to translate the data into a more understandable form. In some cases, data parsing goes hand in hand with data extraction, or as we know it, web scraping. First, the data is scraped from the targeted websites and then transformed into a format that is easier to read and work with. If you wish to learn more about web scraping, follow the link to our video where we have it covered. So, there are a number of different data parsing tools that come with their own rules and functionalities. Most of them will require at least minimal technical knowledge, let's say of a Python programming language. Here are some examples of technologies parsers are used with: Java and other programming languages, HTML and XML, scripting languages, SQL and other database languages, internet protocols such as HTTP. So, what exactly does a parser do? Basically, it brings a portion of commands and instructions and splits them into other pieces in programming. Then it checks if the information is enough to develop a data structure such as a parse tree. To be more specific, a well-built HTML parser recognizes the needed HTML data, takes the required information, and converts it into CSV, JSON, or a table according to its pre-written code. Thus, it's important to know that the parser itself does not carry a particular data format. Instead, the process of conversion depends on how the parser was developed. Now that we know the main terms and understand how data parsing works, let's take a look at some business use cases. SEO analysis. Data parsers are of great help when it comes to search optimization. For instance, you can optimize tasks such as gathering information, analyzing competitors' prices, or creating lists of products. Operation optimization. It's another essential role of data parsers. Having the required data in an easy-to-read format might improve employees' productivity and efficiencies, such as data analysts or programmers. Investment analysis. The combination of web scraping and data parsing can be a significant benefit when it comes to equity research, competitive analysis, or making business decisions. To sum up, data parsing can be of great help when it comes to collecting data and turning it into a format easier to understand and use. I hope this video has helped you to understand what data parsing is and how it works. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about proxies or any other specific topic, drop us a line at hello@oxylabs.io or write a comment below. And also, if you find this content beneficial, press the like button and share it on social media. See you in other videos.